Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Two of Cups. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Aries? Nine of Cups and the Magician. So Aries, under the deck, Nine of Cups and Magician, you are going to manifest your dreams, your wishes very soon, because you are in manifesting energy, and Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Two of Cups, the Hierophant and the Hermit. I think in past there was equal love between both of you. You think it was a soulmate connection between both of you, but there are some commitment issues between you and your person, the Hierophant, with the Hermit. So maybe your person in and out of your life, there is no constant communication between both of you. Then you are undergoing some transformation. You cut all the communication from all, especially from your person, because the Hermit, you are undergoing some transformation. You are isolated from all. And then present, Six of Cups, the Star and King of Pentacles. So you're still thinking about them. You are thinking about them 24/7, and the Star and King of Pentacles. So you started focusing on your career. You started focusing on your self-growth. Still you have some hope about your person. Maybe they will commit to you. Maybe they will give commitment. Yes, you still have hopes on that person and you're still thinking about them a lot. And King of Pentacles, so you started concentrating on your career, especially financial. King of Pentacles, yes, you started focusing on your career. Then future, Seven of Swords, the Hangman and Two of Swords. So there is no trust between both of you. I think especially you are not trusting them. Seven of Swords energy. Maybe in past they lied to you, cheated on you. So you're feeling stuck. Yes, you are thinking about them. One part of you want them back, but one part of you don't want them back. So there is some confusion. You're feeling stuck. And Two of Swords energy. Yes, you have to make some decision, but you are unable to make some decision. Right now, you are feeling indecisive about to make decision. Because their behavior. In past they hurt you, but now you are unable to make any decision. You're feeling stuck. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Virgo. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. For some third party situation also involved in this connection, Three of Cups under the deck. So let's see your person feelings. Aries, your person feelings towards you. Their feelings towards you. Magician and Eight of Cups. So if they walked away from this connection in past, now they have regret. They are, for some, your person also manifesting you back. Magician energy. I think you both are manifesting each other. For some, your person may be a player also, because Seven of Swords with the Magician. So let's see the Hierophant, Three of Wands and Queen of Cups. Again, waiting game. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. The Hierophant and Queen of Cups and Three of Wands. So they are waiting maybe for the right time. So they are delaying the process, but they have love for you. The Queen of Cups and Hierophant. Again, maybe your person started thinking about commitment. Yes, they started thinking about commitment. Right now your person thinking, maybe they're waiting for something or for someone, but they have emotions for you, Queen of Cups. So let's see their intentions. Under the deck, Strength. Maybe they're scared to make a move towards you. Maybe they're scared for rejection. And Five of Cups, Knight of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. Their intentions, their actions. So they're feeling sad. Maybe if you're in separation, they're feeling sad without you. And Knight of Wands, they are very, very attracted to you. Maybe they're scared for commitment. Yes, they're thinking about commitment. They're delaying. But Seven of Pentacles, still, they are in waiting. Yes, they are waiting. Maybe your person's situations are not in their control. They are very attracted to you. They're feeling sad without you. But Seven of Pentacles, your person still waiting on someone or something. They keep putting you in waiting mode. That's why you're feeling stuck. There is row between both of you. Maybe, but they are not offering commitment. They are not doing anything to take this relationship to next level. Maybe they're scared. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Again, Seven of Swords. Maybe this person is sneaky for you. Maybe they're playing games with you. And Nine of Cups. Four of Cups. So they're wishing. Definitely they're wishing to be with you, but they're not doing anything. They're just missing you. They're just feeling sad but not taking any action. I think a lot of trust issues between both of you guys. 2 times Seven of Swords came in this reading. One person may be a player. Again the Magician and Temperance. I think you are working on yourself to restore balance within you, Aries. And the Tower, right now you are undergoing some Tower movement because you're feeling stuck. You are unable to make any decision. You can't move on and you can't stay. That type of situation you are in right now. But Magician, you will be in this energy near future. You will manifest what you want, but you want to be, but you have to be in a high vibrational energy to manifest anything. And Temperance, Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be. So you are working on yourself to restore the balance within you. Yes, Four of Pentacles, mutual card. Definitely holding back. They are in waiting mode, but you are holding back. You are concentrating on yourself. 10 of Wands, because this connection become burden for both of you. Yes, that's why they are in waiting mode and you are working on yourself, but completely you both are holding back. Right now this is a becoming burden for both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. You are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. There is age difference between both of you. Now you are very defensive. Yeah, for some you started moving on. You decided to move on. Maybe it is taking so much time for you, but still you are trying to move on. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Aries. Yes, Seven of Pentacles again. They keep putting you on waiting mode. Ace of Swords, communication, clarity, Six of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Yes, they have emotions for you. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now maybe for some your person will communicate to offer equal give and take, but maybe for some it's too late. Again, it is taking so much time because Seven of Pentacles is here. They're taking their time. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Aries. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra, and meditate and contemplate under the deck. New moon in Pisces. So for some, a new romantic cycle begins, especially when new moon in Libra. So I think I'm very few there will be chance for new romantic cycle begins. Maybe it will take so much time depending upon your situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.